Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your FaceIt account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just find FaceIt support. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on enter. If it's allowed now, as you can see here, we have the submit a request site for FaceIt. So you can just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it needs your email address or where FaceIt support will contact you. So go ahead and enter your email address and the contact reason right here. Go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find legal queries, exercise your data protection rights, and legal content. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, go ahead and click on personal data removal. Okay, so just click on it. Now in here, it needs a FaceIt profile URL or account name. So just go ahead over to FaceIt.com. Log in with your account and just go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. Click on it and click on view profile. And in here, you can go ahead and copy the URL at the top, copy and paste that in here. Okay, and once that's done, you can go ahead and add your full name. All right, also your date of birth and the account or email that is tied to your FaceIt account. Now go ahead and go back, and here we have the game. Select the game. Let's say I've played CS2, and the region right here. Also select the correct region. Subject may be request to delete my account. All right. In the description below, you can go ahead and add in, hi, I would need help deleting my FaceIt account as well as the data that is tied in it. Okay, you can go ahead and add in whatever you want in here. And then tick on, I understand that Steam IDs will not be removed even once the account is deleted. Okay. If you want to, you could go ahead and add in some attachments like a screenshot of your profile. All right. And then once that's done, just click on submit and wait for FaceIt support's reply in the email that you have written in here. All right. And that is it. That's how you remove or delete your FaceIt account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.